Hello YouTube! I've been tagged to light a fire using only natural materials and my fire steel. And the fire must catch on from the first spark. Here I go. The problem is I don't have my fire steel with me. I have matches, jute twine and a lighter, but I don't have my fire steel. So I'll take the lighter and I'll pull out the striker. This is essentially a fire steel. The sparks are not as strong as the ones made by a fire steel, but I think it will work fine. I need something very fine to catch the sparks, and this is what I'm going to use. I will use some dry grass too. I also made a small feather stick, so let's see if I can make it. And we have fire. That's all, my friends. I hope you like it. Bye bye.